Hi, I'm Laurent De Winter, Senior Success Agent at Augusta Precious Metals. As I know, a lot of you are wondering, how do I get started putting gold and silver inside my IRA? The process is very easy, which means you are only 3 simple steps away from securing your financial future. Step 1 is to open a new IRA with a custodian that allows you to hold physical gold and silver. The custodian will act as a record keeper to keep you compliant with the IRS. Step 2 is to move funds from your current custodian into your new self-directed IRA. The transfer is a tax-free and penalty-free event. Both of these 2 steps are done with standard paperwork, similar to what you would find at any banking or financial firm. After you set up your account and your funds have transferred, the 3rd step is to place your trade for gold and silver. Which of the products you would like is completely up to you. Once you approve of the portfolio, you confirm your trade and lock in your prices. Your metals are delivered shortly thereafter. If you're interested in opening a new gold IRA and protecting your retirement savings, our agents will guide you through the process and do all the heavy lifting for you. Contact an Augusta representative today to learn more.